Hello guys, in this video we'll know of 5 ways to clean the data in MS Excel. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, for example, I have there some data and I want to clean the extra spaces here. You can see that the first row, you can see welcome to my channel way to will is having good spaces, but the second one is having lot of spaces and I want to remove all these spaces of all rows at a time. So how can I remove all these spaces? For that thing you have to write the formula for it, equal to and then trim and then bracket start. Select the cell you want to clean the extra spaces. For example, I will select this and select and bracket close and enter. Now you can drag this plus so that it will be applicable to all these cells. Click here and left click of mouse and click drag. Now you can see that all the space have been removed from these rows. This is the one way you can use in Excel to clean the data. Now the second trick, that is blank spaces. For example, if you have a table here of data, that is marks of the students, and some of the cells are blank because they don't have appeared the said exam. So how can we write something in all cells at a time? For that thing you have to click here, find and select and go to spatial, and here you can see the blanks. But first of all you have to select the table here and then go to the find and select and then go to spatial and then blanks and click OK. Now it automatically selects the blank spaces. Now you can write down here whatever you want. For example, I will write here not appeared, and when you are done with the writing you have to click the control and enter at a time. Now you can see that all the blank space have been filled with this not appeared. This is how you can use this trick to automatically select all the blank spaces at a time. There is a one more way, shortcut way to select all these space. First of all I will control Z and you can also press down the F5 and then click here spatial and then blanks. But first of all you have to select this table and then F5 spatial and blanks and OK, and then you can write down the not appeared and then control enter. This way you can enter the blank spaces, some text at the same time. Now the third thing is conditional formatting. For example, this is the total of marks of these students. They have appeared in all the subjects, some have not appeared in some subjects, and the total marks here is this, and out of his maximum is 40 and minimum will be 40%. 40% of 40 is 16. If you can use a calculator you will find that 40% of 40 is 16. So below that they are fail. If anyone get below 16 they are treated as fail. So I want to select this column and I want to highlight these failures as a red mark. So I can use conditional formatting and then highlight cells and less than, and here I will write down 16. 16 is the lowest, below 16 is fail. So I will click OK. Now it will show me that these are the students who have less than 16 marks and only one is who have got 29, it's white, and the rest of the candidates are fail. So this is the third way to clean the data. Now I have a fourth trick to use in Excel to clean the data. Here you can see I have a huge number of emails and I want to clean this data in a way so that only this portion will be copied to this cell. So it is very hectic if we copy by individually copy and paste here. It will take too much time to copy and paste here. So I have a trick to just do it in a one go. So here I have a thing that we can use, that is here you can see, and you can use a flash fill. In just one go it have extracted the emails here and copied here. You can see how many emails are. This is how you can extract the data from a chunk. This was a chunk, now I have a clean data here. This is the fourth trick in Excel. Now going to the fifth one, that is the data here, and I want to make a column of these first two numbers. Actually I want to make this two columns. First one is 1 2 and second one is TRS. I can select the cells and going to the data portion and then text columns, and here you can see the delimited and fixed width. I want a fixed width here. Click here and click next. Here you have to select the character after which character you want to make a column 1 and 2. Here it will be one column and this will be second column. Click here next and finish. Now you can see that it automatically creates the two columns. Numbers are here and the alphabets are here. This way you can use these 5 tricks to clean the data in Excel. I hope you find this video informative. If you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.